Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of car interior LED lights. Whether you want to upgrade your vehicle's ambiance, add a touch of style, or elevate your road trip vibes, I've got you covered with the top 5 LED lights for car interiors. These picks are based on performance, design, and value for money. You'll find links to each product in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5. We have the iFunny LED 24-piece dome light LED car interior bulb kit. This kit is perfect for those who want versatility in their car lighting setup. With 24 LED bulbs in varying sizes, the kit is designed to fit a wide range of applications, from map lights to trunk and license plate lighting. The high-quality LED chips promise up to 50,000 hours of life, while delivering an impressive 300% improved brightness compared to stock bulbs. The design is straightforward, with a plug-and-play installation process that makes it easy even for beginners. However, this isn't a product focused on RGB or ambient lighting. It's more about functional upgrades. The bulbs emit a clean, bright white light, which is great for visibility and aesthetics. The build quality is solid, with a robust circuit design and built-in IC drivers to prevent flickering. While the iFunny LED kit is a great choice for practicality, it lacks the customization options and app control features that other products on this list offer. It's best suited for car owners looking for a reliable and long-lasting replacement for their existing interior lights. Pros: durability, brightness, and variety of bulb sizes. Cons: no color options or smart features. If functionality is your top priority, this is a solid pick. At number 4, we have the TechShiny 4-piece car LED lights. These compact, portable lights are designed for convenience and versatility, making them perfect for on-the-go users. Each light features 6 RGB LED beads that can cycle through 7 vibrant colors, controlled via a touch switch. The magnetic base allows you to easily attach and detach the lights, making installation a breeze. What sets the TechShiny lights apart is their USB rechargeable design. They only take about 40 minutes to fully charge and provide up to 2 hours of illumination. While this is convenient for temporary use, it's worth noting that the limited battery life may not be ideal for long drives. The lights are best suited for decorative purposes, such as accentuating specific areas of your car's interior, or even for use in other spaces like wardrobes or backpacks. The build quality is decent for the price, with a lightweight ABS plastic construction. While these lights are not water-resistant, their portability and ease of use make them a good option for users who want a simple, no-fuss solution. Pros include ease of installation and portability, while cons are the short battery life and lack of advanced customization. Ideal for casual users and those who value flexibility over advanced features. Coming in at number 3 is the WinZone LED lights for car interior. These lights are a fantastic option for users who want a balance between functionality and aesthetics. The included app control allows you to customize colors and brightness, with a variety of preset modes to choose from. The built-in microphone syncs the lights to your music, creating a dynamic and entertaining interior ambiance. The design features a flexible strip layout that's easy to install and fits a wide range of vehicles. The lights are powered via USB, making them safer and more energy efficient than traditional cigarette lighter adapters. They're also waterproof, which adds an extra layer of durability. However, users should ensure the USB ports and adapters are in good condition before use. While the WinZone lights offer a lot of customization, they don't have the same level of brightness or build quality as some higher-end options. That said, they're an excellent choice for anyone looking to add a fun, colorful touch to their car without breaking the bank. Pros include the music sync feature and ease of use, while cons are limited brightness and adhesive strength. Overall, great for party vibes and everyday use. At number 2, we have the Govee interior car LED strip lights. This is a premium option for those who want professional-grade ambient lighting in their vehicle. The standout feature here is the 236-inch fiber optic cable, which allows for seamless integration into your car's interior design. With 16 million colors and 29 preset modes, the customization options are nearly limitless. Control is handled via an app, compatible with both iOS and Android devices. The build quality of the Govee Decor lights is impressive, with a durable PVC construction and waterproof design. The lights also include short-circuit protection and a memory function, ensuring safety and convenience. The installation process is slightly more complex due to the fiber optic setup, but the result is a sleek, professional look that's hard to beat. The Govee Decor lights excel in creating a high-end, immersive atmosphere in your car. However, they do come at a higher price point and require more effort to install than simpler strip lights. Pros include unmatched customization and premium build quality, while cons are the higher cost and installation complexity. Ideal for car enthusiasts and those looking to elevate their interior design to the next level. And finally, at number 1, we have the Govee car LED lights. Govee is a trusted name in smart lighting, and this product showcases why. With 16 million colors and a DIY mode, you can fully customize your car's interior ambiance. The built-in microphone syncs the lights to your music, creating a vibrant, dynamic experience for road trips and daily commutes alike. The two-line design makes installation simple and clutter-free, ensuring compatibility with most car models. The lights are managed via the Govee Home app, which offers intuitive control over brightness, colors, and modes. The adhesive backing and included zip ties ensure the lights stay in place, though it's recommended to clean the surface thoroughly before installation. What sets Govee apart is its blend of ease of use, performance, and reliability. While it's not waterproof, the rubber tubing adds some protection. Pros include superior app functionality, vibrant colors, and easy installation. The only real downside is that it doesn't include a remote control, so you'll need to rely on the app. Overall, this is the best choice for anyone who wants a feature-packed, user-friendly lighting solution for their car. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in discovering the best LED lights for your car interior. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Let me know in the comments which product you're most excited about or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.